Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add appointment booking to your Shopify store. So let's dive in. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left sidebar, click Apps, visit Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Appointment Booking or Scheduling App. Choose a highly rated app like BookThatApp, Appointo, or Scheduledly. Click Add App and install it. One app is installed. Open the app and follow the setup wizard. Set your availability, like business hours, buffer times between appointments. Embed the booking widget on a product page for paid appointments or a dedicated page like /booknow. Test the booking flow as a customer to ensure it works smoothly. And that's it. Now your Shopify store can accept appointments seamlessly. If this helped you, smash the like button, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and drop a comment if you'd like a deeper tutorial on optimizing bookings. See you in the next video.